Hey guys, it's AJ Simmons here, and we just had a car show. V8s, Walkinshaw, caught by ants. Oh, supercharger twin carb. Done amazing these days. Oh, we've got an R33 Jaguar. I know. R33 Skyline. Oh, we've got a Walkinshaw. We've got a Holden Tirana. Surprisingly, we've got a Holden Tirana here. We don't get much of these. Trans Am, Camaro, Walkinshaw.
It's Ricardo, you going live?
My dad's going live too. But damn Bindi. I don't know what it is. It might be a car show or a drag race, but I don't know. Ow, crap. Thinking in my foot.
Beautiful Tirana, back tires, and that's nothing. And then we've got the Walkinshaw.
It's a VL.
Beautiful.
VL Walkinshaw. Beast of car. These were good cars back in the day. Oh, we've got some American muscles here too. Let's try Tirana.
Good AE.
Yeah, it's good.
You having fun?
Yep. Always wanted to see a car show in my life. This is going to be good, trust me. This is going to be good. So many cars. We've got my dad's Harlock sitting there. Which, eventually, if I do get a car, it'll be easy. We've got an old Ford. We've got some other cars here. This is a Group B Walkinshaw. Ethanol smells good. Tiranas. Oh, Dad, look at this little thing. Valiant Charger, Maserati. I'm staying in the car, name's Spanky. I know the cars. VL turbos, right there. LJ, Tirana?
What's that one in?
I don't know, it's even LJ or something. Bunch of cars here. Good car, that one. How's it? K or something. Commodores. Shaggin' wagons. Oh, we've got is that an XP? We've got Falcons, Mercedes. Dad, look, the little Beamer. No, it's a Fiat. Holden 1-tonner, Falcons, you got them all. Holden that we saw. Oh, we've got a twin car there. Oh, that's my dream car, Dad. Dad, my dream car. My SLR. Look at this thing. It's a beast. SS Tirana. Tirana GTS 350. Oh, it's the Illinois. Woo. That's a big motor. That's big. That's a big motor. Camaros. Got Tirana. Nice Tirana. Got Tiranas, XP Falcons, XYs, XTs. Caddy. I've got to stay safe here because you never know what these guys might do. Car guys, well, we've got bikers, good looking people as well. VL with a drop tank.
Yeah, this.
Murano. I don't know how I'm saying it right. Another Tiranas. We've got a bunch of Tiranas. We've got Fords, Chevys, Holdens, Cadillacs, Toyota Supra. Got all the cars here.
Oh, look, SLR.
That's not it could be an SLR. Could look at it. Look, T model or something. Got a bunch of good looking cars here.
What's that off the road?
Oh, look at a little Ford. Little Ford Escort. Cute.
Ford. Look at that.
Oh yeah, Ford Falcon 351. Shaggin' Wagon. There's a history about the Shaggin' Wagons back in the days. I'm not saying it though because I might get demonetized. Ooh. We got a Chrysler. Oh, look at this. Bedford. Camaro. I could stay here all night. Trans Am. Two of them. Oh, my favourite. 1965 Mustang. We've got a 65. Someone's drag racing. We've got a bunch of Fords. We've got a Holden Ford.
Is that a Firebird? Yeah, it is.
Yeah, it's a Firebird.
Hello. It's another Firebird?
That's a Firebird Trans Am, Firebird Trans Am, Tiranas. Got all the cars here. Maseratis. All the cars you name, we've got in here. Must be a shipping charge. An old Ford. Rusted paint job looks good. Got a bunch of stuff. We might have a rotary somewhere. Guys, watch out. Valiant Charger, Henry 265. XY 351, you already saw that. Ooh. And oh,
What's the cars they go?
hang on, I just gotta wait for these cars to go by. Now this Camaro has a monster truck motor in it, which has 1500 horsepower. That's a monster truck motor, Dad. That's a monster truck. Come on. This is mean.
Make sure you don't touch
Monster truck motor, 1500 horsepower.
Look at that.
This is methanol or ethanol injected. Fuel injected. V8 free butterfly hose, which is the same motor that's going to go in my car. I'm hopefully going to get.
Goes into glory here, aren't you? What do you think, DJ?
Love it.
What about all these cars? What's this one we're looking at here?
This is a 1969 Camaro SS with a 1500 horsepower monster truck motor in it.
Yeah. And what else has it got? Anything else you know about it?
It's
Mind
got.
you, he's only just met this car tonight, so he's pretty clued
It's
on
got.
these cars.
Looks like drag radials on it.
Drag radials. What else?
Let's
What sort of
see.
blower is that one?
That's a.
Listen to that. What's that, DJ?
That is a Mercury.
What sort of motor is that, you reckon?
Some sort of V8.
Oh, we know that.
Brand Neon's back. Brand Neon's back.
So what's this one?
So this is.
The blower you're talking about.
So this is one of the big blocks that go in Mosgem trucks like your Great Digger, Max D. All have these motors. They push out 1500 horsepower. They're good for burnouts, but mostly for monster trucks and that.
Very good, DJ. That's very good.
Yeah.
What else do you like here tonight?
Let's see, old Holdens, Fords.
Well, what's another motor you know out here? We got some Fords here. We've got a Commodore here. What's that one?
That's probably a cammed LS1 or an L98.
Yeah.
Good motor.
All right. What else we got?
We have twin carb supercharged XY.
All right. The red one over there. What about this Mercedes?
That looks well. The motor is a V8 bi-turbo
Yeah.
from factory,
Oh.
but people do them up.
What about this thing?
Oh, that
What sort of Tirana is that one?
is an LC Tirana.
LC Tirana. And what do you reckon it's running?
Or probably a big block of some sort.
Yeah. All right.
And then we have a bunch of other cars too.
Hey Joe, what's
Oh, that's a single carb V8. Speaking of big block, XA Falcon.
this? What do you reckon that runs on the quarter mile?
Well, probably 10s, bottom 9s.
What else we got here that you like?
We've got a Chrysler Valiant Charger Hemi 265,
Yeah.
which is what Hunter wants.
Yeah.
And he can't get them because they have an inliner from factory. But once you're going forward, you can do them up better.
All right. What else? Horsepower they got?
Got a good buddy here.
He loves it.
Yeah.
5 litre.
5 litre single carb V8. Cameron's very
That's
surprised.
how Cameron talks about cars.
These will probably do 600 horsepower at the latest.
What else we got? Look, we got the old Dodge over there going, eh? The old Dodge.
Oh, Dodge.
The old Dodge truck.
Oh, yeah, a little dodgy.
What do you reckon that's got in it?
Dodge motor. Dodges are really good at the motors, so I presume some sort.
Sorry.
And then we got, oh, that's 22 inches right there.
Good. I've seen you around somewhere before. Probably.
22-inch wheels on the back, GT350,
No, never been here before in my life.
Ford.
Okay.
Ooh, see, we got a supercharger there. We got a supercharger.
Down the road there. What's that road there? Back Gully Road?
Got a supercharger, magneto, pulley.
Have a good one. You too. What's this each?
We have a supercharged forced induction,
What horsepower we're pumping out of this one?
probably 900,
Quarter mile?
probably low nines on it. Low nines.
You say so, you're the man. To me, it's just a car.
To you, it's just a car.
Alright, what else we got, EJ?
We've got another Falcon just sitting there.
Might call it quits on this because we've been going live for a while. EJ's the car whiz.
Uh-huh.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned for more. Good pins here. These keep the hood on. Because when you got this motor, you need a damn good hood.
What was the red one?
22-inch wheels, stick shift. Wait, no. Power glide? It's a power glide transmission. Power glide, pretty cool. Pretty cool. Power glide transmission. Bro, we got a Chevy Impala down there. We got a Chevy. I believe that's Holden, EK. We got EK Holdens, Chevy Impala, Holden Ute, VK. We have
What
a
is it?
Holden
Okay, number plate.
EK.
BK Commodore. Probably a 5 litre.
Because well, you had one, so someone stole it. You had one.
What is it?
What's this car you doing? What's on here?
HCD.
That's a VK.
Yeah, the old Rego stickers.
Now this is an EK. Yeah, it's an I think it's an EK wagon. EK wagon, VK. These are good.
Look at this. What's that each? Kingswood? Holden?
There's a Holden Marana,
Monaro, not Monaro. Whatever you
Monaro, GTS. And then look at this, we've got a standard Holden. Standard Holden there. We've got a little
The
Ford.
Corolla! Woo! What sort of Corolla is it? KE?
It's a
KE Corolla? Hey! Woo! We love it. Good burnout.
oh, come on, don't hurt the little car. We've got a Subaru. We've got a bunch of cars here. We've got a Sandman, Shaggin' Wagon. Bunch of cars. We've got Japanese powered Subaru WRX. Here's the fast. So here, what we have here is a what I wanted. Well, what I wanted back in the days. GTS Holden. Old 304. Let's see if I can squeeze between here. These are monsters, honestly. These are monsters. These are monsters. SS old 304 built tough Holdens. You want to follow them? They build Holdens, obviously. We've got a Chevy Bel Air. Good American power. Good thick tires on this car too. It's got a good setup on it. Shag Rider, Sandman Holden, Falcon. So many cars driving by as well. And that's gonna catch us my dad. Super B, I believe, yep, Super B Falcon. Hood pins. back at this beautiful paraglider supercharged Ford GT350, Falcons, Bel Airs, VLs, you got them all.
Red, pinkish one.
Oh, that's a Ford.
Fiat, sorry.
Fiat. My God.
Get over it.
SS Group A.
Careful.
Yeah, see, it's a SS Group A Walkinshaw.
So what's that?
Yeah, of course I can still come.
Still burning out, right?
Oh, little 510 Datsun, Falcon, XP.
Oh, on the side.
That's what Warbird is. Burnout car from Summer Nats. Got a bunch of cars back here. Oh my God. I'm not saying that name. Yeah.
I'm actually going to
Got more cars here. Yeah, good car here. We got a fuel injected supercharged twin carb. No, my dad wants me. An old Ford truck. Ooh, you guys see a supercharger in there. Carburetor.
Yeah, I mean.
We've got a Holden Statesman. Is that good? Coming by again. We got two Falcons here, XR8. We got ourselves a lowrider. We all know the lowriders back in the days, Impalas. Other side, lowrider, Chevy Impala. You know the deal.
Nice, low rider.
Yep, we all know them. Show off cars. That's what they basically do. Bunch of cars here. Oh, we've got a Tirana just over there, driving off. I'm gonna go film it. Hey, we've got a GTO, Pontiac. That's a Pontiac GTO.
Fairlane 500, mate.
Oh, God damn
My
it.
dad used to have one. Ask Nuno about his. He used to have a white one, hotted up and everything. This one, Kira, it's a Mustang, bro.
It's a 1965. How could you forget that?
Ford Mustang. You know.
We'll film these cars leaving. Film these cars leaving. Film these cars leaving. These, we've got two Tiranas going home. I know, my dad calling me, but I want to get this on film. SLR 5000. We've got a nice Cadillac. No, Chevy. We've got a rotary. The rotary. The rotary. The rotary. We've got a rotary leaving. I have to get there before it goes. Doesn't have one of my short points. Oh yeah. We've got cars leaving. No. Got a good car there. Going past the lowrider again. It is night time, so I'm sorry if you can't see the cars. Oh, there it is. First, we've got some good cars coming in, coming out. Oh, we've got an old hot rod coming in. Two VL turbos. I think I know this car. Or something. Oh, here we go. We've got one car there. Alright. Hope you enjoyed this little car show. And of course, the Hilux. Sounding a bit rough. There's that old car there. Alright. Thanks for watching.